Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, I wrestled in the midnight with the fear that wouldn't sleep. I heard the voice of the accuser promising a loss I'd keep. The enemy brought receipts, pulled up everything I'd done, tried to convince me that the fight was over and I hadn't won. My hands were heavy, my feet were tired, I thought my knees would buckle. But I remembered the nail prints and I broke the shackle. I remembered the blood that speaks a better word for me. Now the chains are on the floor, yeah, the prison door is wide. I'm stepping out of history with Jesus by my side. This is the
Overcomer's anthem,
shouted from the highest peak.
the same resurrection power.
It's coursing through the weak, the battle is finished.
The curse has been undone.
I claim the victory you paid for.
The moment I was born,
I am an overcomer.
by the blood and by the word,
The sound of my triumph
it's about to be heard.
Whoa, I'm wearing a new uniform, draped in a different cloth. The old report cards canceled, burned away like simple moth. The weapons of my warfare are not flesh and blood or steel, but the fire of your spirit that makes the darkness real. So I stand here unashamed, rooted deep in the solid rock. I can't be shaken, I can't be moved, I laugh at the clock. My future is sealed in glory, my destiny is sure. Now the chains are on the floor, yeah, the prison door is wide. I'm stepping out of history with Jesus by my side.
This is the overcomer's anthem,
Shouted from the highest peak.
the same resurrection power.
It's coursing through the weak, the battle is finished.
The curse has been undone.
I claim the victory you paid for.
The moment I was born,
I am an overcomer.
by the blood and by the word,
The sound of my triumph
it's about to be heard.
I'm taking back my peace. I'm taking back my joy. I'm walking in the fullness of the life He gave the girl and